Today topic is condensation reactions. So condensation reactions means two or more molecules are added along with the elimination of small molecular substance like H2O or NH3. So these reactions are called condensation reaction. So condensation reaction, so the main condensation reactions, so first one, Aldol condensation reaction. So Aldol condensation reaction, so this is very important reaction. So alpha hydrogen having carbonyl compounds undergo condensation reaction to give aldol in presence of dilute alkali. Okay, so aldol means it is an addition reaction. So condensation reaction means already you know. So addition of two or more molecule, they lost small molecular substance like water or NH3. These are called condensation reaction. So alpha hydrogen having carbonyl compounds undergo aldol condensation. So for example, acetaldehyde. So it have alpha hydrogen, it involve in aldol condensation. So acetone. So here it have 6 alpha hydrogens. So these 3 alpha hydrogens, it is 3 alpha hydrogens. So in acetaldehyde it have 3 alpha hydrogens. In acetone it have 6 alpha hydrogens. In propanaldehyde it have 2 alpha hydrogen, it is alpha carbon. So alpha carbon means which carbon directly bonded with the C double bond O group is called alpha carbon. So another example, formaldehyde. So the number of alpha hydrogens 0. Okay, there is no alpha carbon. So benzaldehyde. The number of alpha hydrogens 0. So it is alpha carbon. There is no hydrogen. So the number of alpha hydrogens 0. So which carbonyl compound have alpha hydrogen? They involve in aldol condensation. So this carbonyl group involved in aldol condensation. It is also involved in aldol condensation. It is involved in aldol condensation, but these compounds cannot involve in aldol condensation because absence of alpha hydrogens. Okay. So now, first one. So already you know substrate is carbonyl compound, aldehyde or ketone. Already you know condition, alpha hydrogen having carbonyl compounds involved in aldol condensation. Okay. So first one, the aldol condensation takes place in presence of basic medium or acidic medium. When the reaction takes in presence of basic medium, it is called base catalyzed aldol condensation. When reaction takes in presence of acid, it is called acid catalyzed aldol condensation. Okay, so base catalyzed aldol condensation, acid catalyzed aldol condensation. Okay, so first one, you see reaction, acetaldehyde undergo aldol condensation, 2 moles of acetaldehyde undergo aldol condensation in presence of dilute alkali, dilute basic medium. to give CH3, CHOH, CH2, C double bond OH. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it is a hydroxy substituted aldehyde. So it is called beta hydroxy 1, 2. It is alpha carbon, it is a beta carbon. So beta hydroxy. So number of carbons 4. So butyraldehyde. So beta hydroxy, butyraldehyde. So in aldehyde condensation, you maintain the temperature. So dehydration takes place, loss of water molecule. You maintain the temperature, dehydration takes place to give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. If you not maintain the temperature, the reaction will be stopped at this stage. You maintain the temperature, so it loss of water molecule to give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So not maintain the temperature, the reaction will be stopped at the stage of aldol. So aldol means aldehyde whole, it have a OH group. Okay, so it is a addition product. Okay, it is a aldol. If you maintain the temperature to give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Now you see reaction mechanism. You see reaction mechanism. So CH3 C double bond OH reaction takes in presence of basic medium. So it is alpha carbon. Okay. So now you observe carefully. It is sp2 hybridized carbon. It is sp3 hybridized carbon. When the percentage of S character increases, electronegativity increases. So it is sp2 hybridized carbon. It have percentage of S character is 33.33%. In sp3 hybridized carbon, it have only 25% S character. When the percentage of S character increases, electronegativity increases because S orbitals have more penetrating power. Okay, so S orbitals near to the nucleus, S orbitals have more penetrating power. So actually base abstract this proton, so it is more acidic based on hybridization. It is sp2 hybridization. It have more percentage of S character. It withdraws electron towards itself. It can able to donating the H plus ion. Okay, so when abstract the proton from this carbon, you get CH3 C double bond O minus. So when base abstract the proton from this carbon, you get CH2 minus C double bond OH. When base abstract the proton from sp2 hybridized carbon, you get one intermediate. When base subtract the proton from sp3 hybridized carbon, we get second intermediate, which is more stable. So obviously second one is more stable than compared to first one, because so it have a conjugation, negative charge pi bond conjugation. So it is stabilized by resonance or it is stabilized by conjugation, but here it is not stabilized by resonance. So path 1 it is not granted. So path 2 it is granted. Okay, so we get carbon anion. Okay, the negative charge present on alpha carbon. Okay, so next one. In carbonyl compound, what is the order of reactivity? So aldehydes is more reactive than compared to ketone. Okay, aldehydes are more reactive than compared to ketone. Why aldehydes are more reactive than compared to ketone? Okay, so CH3 C double bond OH. it is aldehyde. So removal of proton from this carbon to give carbon anion CH2 minus C double bond OH. In ketone or acetone, C double bond O CH3. So OH minus. So removal of proton from this carbon to give CH2 minus C double bond O CH3. Okay. So aldehyde, it is electron withdrawing group. So this carbon anion, it is more stable than compared to second one. Anion stability, first one is more stable than compared to second one. Okay. So ketone, it is a strong base or a strong nucleophile. So that's why ketone always source of carbon anion. Ketone always source of carbon anion. The order of reactivity, aldehydes greater than ketone. Okay. So this carbon ion is more stable than compared to keto carbon anion. Okay. So in keto carbon anion, it is more basic or it has more nucleophilic character. So that's why keto always carbon anion source. Okay. Now you see reaction mechanism. Already you know reaction. So 2 moles of acetaldehyde reacts with basic medium to give CH3, CHOH, CH2, C double bond OH. So it is called aldol. Okay, maintain the temperature, it loss of water molecule to give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Now you see reaction mechanism. So base subtract the proton from this carbon because this carbon anion is stabilized by resonance. When abstract the proton from this carbon to give carbon anion. So this carbon anion is stabilized by resonance. We get CH2 double bond C O minus H. So it is 1, it is 2. So 1 and 2, which is more stable? So in first structure, all atoms can obey the octet. In second structures, all atoms obey the octet. The stability is 2 greater than 1 because in first one, the negative charge present on a carbon. In second structure, the negative charge present on oxygen. So oxygen, it is the second more electronegative atom in periodic table. More electronegative atom always can exhibit negative character. So that's why 2 is more stable than compared to 1. Okay. So now it reacts with another mole of acetaldehyde. So CH3, C double bond OH. It reacts with another mole of acetaldehyde. This pi bond electron shifted to here. It attacks here to give CH3, CO minus H, CH2, C double bond OH. So it is a rate determining step, it is RDS. So RDS means rate determining step, it is a slow step. Okay, so it is a slow step. Now it abstracts the proton from water, the H plus attacks here. You get CH3, C, OH, H, CH2, C double bond OH to give beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. When this reaction takes in presence of basic medium, the reaction mechanism is even CB mechanism. Okay, even CB mechanism means, so here it is a poor leaving group, OH minus, it is a poor leaving group. In even CB mechanism, the reaction intermediate is carbon anion. Already you know, even mechanism, the reaction intermediate is carbocation. In E2 mechanism, there is no reaction intermediate, you get only transition state. In even CB mechanism, the reaction intermediate is carbon anion, that is conjugate base. So OH minus subtract the proton, it is acidic proton because the C double bond O group electron withdrawing group. It is acidic proton. OH minus subtract the proton, we get CH3, COH, H, CH minus C double bond OH. Now this bonded electron shifted to here, loss of OH minus ion to give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. To give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. You get this part. So here this step is slow step. So elimination is even CB elimination. Why it is even CB elimination? Because OH group, it is a poor leaving group. Okay, when leaving group is poor, the elimination takes through even CB mechanism. Okay, now so how many types of aldol condensation reactions is there? Okay, so first one, self aldol condensation. Next one, crossed aldol condensation, intramolecular aldol condensation. So self aldol condensation. Next one is crossed aldol condensation. So next one is intramolecular aldol condensation. Already you know self aldol condensation. Okay. In previous example, we discussed about self aldol condensation. For example, acetaldehyde, 2 moles of acetaldehyde undergo aldol condensation in presence of dilute basic medium to give, if maintain the temperature, to give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. It is a self aldol condensation. Okay, so how do you get aldol product? So there is a simple technique. So it is 1 mole of acetaldehyde. It is another mole of acetaldehyde. So loss of water molecule, removal of water. You get CH3CH double bond, CH, C double bond OH, you get this product. Okay, so removal of water molecule. Already you know condensation reaction means loss of small molecular weight substance like H2O or NH3 to give condensation product. Now I give some examples which product is obtained. Okay, so first example, so it reacts with, so it is a self aldol condensation, already you know 2 moles. We get which product? So it is alpha hydrogen, it is alpha hydrogen. Okay, so it is alpha carbon, this carbonyl compound have alpha hydrogens. So removal of water molecule. Okay, so it have 2 hydrogens. So removal of water, we get the product is this is a product. Okay, so this is another example. It reacts with the basic medium. You get which product? So it is alpha carbon. It is alpha carbon. So we maintain the temperature. Removal of water molecule. We get this product. Okay. So in aldol condensation, we get which product mainly obtained. Okay, it maintains the temperature. You get alpha beta unsaturated product. Not maintains the temperature. You get aldol. Okay. So it is a self aldol condensation. Write another example. So CH3, C double bond O CH3, 2 moles. Already you know. So CH3, acetone. It have 2 alpha carbons. H2C, H, C double bond O, CH3. So loss of water molecule. We get the product is CH3, C, CH3, double bond CH, C double bond O, CH3. So name of this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 methyl pent 3 in 2 O. Okay. Now second one is crossed aldol condensation. In crossed aldol condensation, so for example, 1 mole acetaldehyde reacts with 1 mole acetone in presence of basic medium, in presence of dilute alkali medium. So here we get how many number of product? Here we get self aldol product. Second one is crossed aldol product. Okay. So first one, acetaldehyde reacts with acetone. So loss of water molecule. So first step, already you know reaction mechanism. Okay. So first step, CH3, C double bond OH. It reacts with H2, CH, C double bond O, CH3. Loss of water molecule. You get CH3, CH double bond C. Okay, CH, C double bond O, CH3. You get one product. Okay. So another one. So in this reaction mechanism, aldehyde loss of oxygen, acetone loss of alpha hydrogen. So in second step, acetone loss of oxygen, loss of water molecule. It is also crossed aldol condensation. So CH3, C, CH3 double bond C, H, C double bond OH. You get crossed product. So next one is self aldol condensation. 1 mole acetaldehyde, one acetaldehyde molecule reacts with another acetaldehyde. We get a self aldol condensation product. So CH3 C double bond OH plus H2 CH C double bond OH to give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond OH. You get this product. Okay. So another one, acetone. Acetone undergo self-aldol condensation. So CH3, so fourth one, C double bond O CH3 plus H2CH C double bond O CH3, loss of water molecule to give CH3 C CH3 double bond CH C double bond O CH3. So in this reaction, so 1 mole acetaldehyde reacts with 1 mole of acetone to give how many number of product? 2 self aldol condensation product, 2 crossed aldol condensation product. Okay. So question is, 1 mole acetaldehyde reacts with 1 mole acetone, we get how many number of products? So the answer is not 4. The number of products is 6. Okay. So it is product number 1. It can exhibit cis and trans isomerism because there is a double bond present between the 2 carbon atoms. Okay. So this carbon bonded with 2 different groups. This carbon also bonded with 2 different groups. It can exhibit geometrical isomerism. One is a cis isomer, another one is a trans isomer. 2 similar groups lie on same side. It is a cis isomer. Okay, 2 hydrogens lie on opposite side. It is a trans isomer. So here we get 2 isomers. So compound second one, this carbon bonded with 2 similar groups. It cannot exhibit geometrical isomerism because this carbon bonded with 2 similar groups. Okay, so it cannot exhibit geometrical isomerism. It will give only 1 product. In third one, this compound also can exhibit geometrical isomerism. Okay, this compound also can exhibit geometrical isomerism because these 2 carbons bonded with 2 different groups. Okay, cis and trans isomers. It gives 2 products. So last one, this carbon bonded with 2 similar groups. It cannot exhibit geometrical isomerism. Here we get only 1 product. The number of products, here 2 isomers, 2 geometrical isomers. It gives 1 isomer 3. It gives 2 geometrical isomers 5. It gives only 1 isomer 6. So 1 mole acetaldehyde, 1 mole acetone undergo aldol condensation. We get number of isomers, number of possible isomers. Isomeric products is 6 products, 6 products. Okay. Now, which product is major? Question. So, acetaldehyde acetone undergo aldol condensation in presence of basic medium. Which product is major? Already you know the order of reactivity. Aldehydes are more reactive than compared to ketones. So, ketone always good source of carbene anion. Okay. So, first one, acetone, it is a good source of carbene anion. Acetaldehyde, it is a carbene anion acceptor. So first product is major. So in crossed and self-aldol condensation, so crossed aldol condensation is major product. In this case, which product is minor? So last one, acetone always carbene anion source, but here it accepting the carbene anion, it act as a acceptor. That's why it is a minor product. Okay. Now arrange the order of percentage of yield. Already you know major product. 1 is major. So 4 is minor. Now competition between 2 and 3. Okay. In second one, here ketone act as a carbon anion acceptor. Okay. So in third one, aldehyde act as a source and carbon anion source and acceptor. Already you know aldehyde is more reactive. So 1 greater than, 3 greater than, 2 greater than 4. So it is a percentage of field, the order of percentage of field, 1 greater than, 3 greater than, 2 greater than 4. Okay. So in crossed all condensation, okay, in both carbonyl compounds have two different carbonyl groups. They have alpha hydrogens. Crossed all condensation product is always major. Okay. Now, the number of products depend upon the type of alpha hydrogens. Okay. So, for example, so CH3, C double bond OH, it is one aldehyde. So it is another carbonyl group. So both have alpha hydrogens. Only one type alpha hydrogen it have. Here also it have only one type alpha hydrogen. So this alpha hydrogen is similar with this one. Okay. So both are similar groups. Okay. So you remove this alpha hydrogen, you get same product. You remove this alpha hydrogen, you get same product. Because these two alpha hydrogens are similar, okay, are symmetrical carbonyl compound. So it involves in self-Aldol condensation. It involves in self-Aldol condensation. You get two products. It involves in crossed Aldol condensation. It involves in crossed Aldol condensation. You get total products is 4. So two self products. Crossed products 2. Okay. So another example, one carbonyl group have only one alpha hydrogen. So another carbonyl group have two alpha hydrogens, two types of alpha hydrogens. So it is alpha carbon, it is also alpha carbon. So this alpha carbon undergo self-Aldol condensation, you get one product. This alpha carbon undergoes self-Aldol condensation, you get another product. This alpha hydrogen undergoes self-Aldol condensation, you get another product. So the total number of self-Aldol condensation products is 3. Now crossed Aldol condensation, so this alpha combined with this one, you get one product. This alpha hydrogen combined here, you get one product. This alpha hydrogen combined here, you get one product. So crossed 3, total products is 6. Here total products are 4. So another one, both two carbonyl groups have different alpha hydrogens. It is 1. So another carbonyl group CH. Okay. So it undergoes self-Aldol condensation, you get one product. This undergoes self-Aldol condensation, you get one product. It involves in self-Aldol condensation, you get one product. It involves in self-Aldol condensation, you get one product. The total number of self-Aldol condensation products are 4. Now crossed Aldol condensation, this is alpha hydrogen. It undergoes condensation with this one, you get one product. This undergo condensation with this one, we get another product. This carbon undergo condensation. So total crossed 4. The total number of products 8. Okay. So in aldol condensation, you get a maximum number of products. So you get how many maximum number of products. So 8 aldol condensation products are possible. Okay. So it is a crossed aldol condensation. In crossed aldol condensation, we get the maximum number of products is 8. Okay, not including stereoisomers. Okay, so next one is intramolecular aldol condensation. Okay, so intramolecular aldol condensation, yes. So it is a intramolecular aldol condensation. In this reaction, it is alpha carbon. So the functional group adjacent carbon is called alpha carbon. C double bond O functional group, adjacent carbon is alpha carbon. It is also adjacent carbon. It is a alpha carbon. Okay. So it is functional group adjacent carbon is alpha carbon. Now here the reaction takes in presence of basic medium. When base subtract the proton from this carbon, okay, we get this carbon anion CH2 minus, C double bond O, CH2, 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 C double bond OH. So already you know mechanism. So this pi bond electron shifted to here. This carbon anion attacks here. When this carbon anion attacks here, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is a 7-membered ring. Okay. So another possibility, OH minus abstract the proton from this carbon. It is also alpha carbon. When OH minus abstract the proton from this carbon, you get CH3, C double bond O, CH minus, CH2, 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 C double bond OH. When this pi bond electron shifted to here, it attacks here. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5-membered ring. Okay. So another possibility, base subtract the proton from this carbon. You get this intermediate CH3, C double bond O, CH2, 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 CH minus, C double bond OH. This pi bond electron shifted to here, it attacks here. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a 7-membered ring. It is a 5-membered ring. It is also 5-membered. So which product is major? So it is intramolecular aldol condensation. So intramolecular means within the molecule. The reaction takes within the molecule. Now first one you get 7-membered ring, second one you get 5-membered ring, third one also you get 5-membered ring. So in aldol condensation, the cyclic system, the ring system can play very important role. So stability of the product stability depend upon the ring size. the stability of ring size 6 membered greater than 5 membered greater than 7 membered. So this is the order of stability. So 6 membered cyclic system is more stable than 5 membered greater than 7 membered. So first one, it is a minor product. Okay, now competition between these two. So it is a 5 membered ring, it is also 5 membered ring. Which product is major? Okay, so now when this CH2 attacks on this carbon, you get 5 membered ring. So it attacks on this carbon, C double bond OCH3. It attacks here, OH. It maintain the temperature, loss of water molecule. Okay, to give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, with loss of water molecule, we get this product. Okay, so it is a case 2. It is case 2, case 3. So case 1, it is a 7 membered ring, it is less stable. So it is a case 2. Okay, so in case 1, when this CH2 attacks here, okay, this CH2 attacks on this carbon. Okay, so it is case 3, it is a 5 membered ring. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, it bonded with the C, double bond OH. Okay, so it bonded with OH, CH3. So loss of water molecule on heating. You get this product. So it is a 5 membered ring. It is also 5 membered. So already you know, keto group always carbon anion source. So it is a keto group. So it is a aldehyde group. Okay, so keto group always carbon anion source. So 2 is major. Okay, so here keto group is a carbon anion. It is a source of carbon anion. So aldehyde, it is a carbon anion acceptor. So it is a major. But experimentally, the percentage of yield, in this case, the percentage of yield almost same. But experimentally, the percentage of yield almost same. But carbon anion, ketone always carbon anion source. So second one is slightly major than compared to third one. So it is a major product. It is a minor product. Okay. So it is a intramolecular aldol condensation.